Our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time. If you focus on success, you will have stress, but if you pursue excellence, success will be guaranteed. Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. Perfection is not attainable, but if we chase perfection, we can catch excellence. Change the changeable, accept the unchangeable, and remove yourself from the unacceptable. Healing isn't about changing who you are, it's about changing how you feel about who you are. If you don't like something, change it. If you can't change it, change your attitude. To change your life, you need to change your priorities. To change your life, you have to change yourself. To change yourself, you have to change your mindset. If you can change your mind, you can change your life. You can turn any failure into success if you learn from it. If everyone is moving forward together, then success takes care of itself. Failure is not the opposite of success, it's part of success. Success consists of going from failure to failure without loss of enthusiasm. Your positive action combined with positive thinking results in success. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.